Students, I want to take a moment to make sure that you are comfortable with getting into Clever from home. To get to this Clever page, if you go to clever.com/in/bssdr4, it should take you right to this page that you see in front of us. From here, what you want to do is you're going to want to log in with your Active Directory. And that's going to ask you to put in your computer email and password. Your email is the same thing as your username at bssdstd.net. And then it's going to ask for your password. And once you put that in, it should ask you, first of all, if you want to stay signed in. If you don't have other siblings at home, that's an okay thing to do. But if you have multiple people using the same computer, I would not encourage you guys to stay signed in. Just for that sake, I think that that's going to be helpful for parents, especially in the long run. And then you should be at your Clever page. What you're going to notice is that you're going to have all of those resources that we use at school. In fact, I know most of our students are really comfortable with this. There's things like Learning A to Z for elementary, or Go Math, EdSite, Waggle, all sorts of great stuff. I know that some of your teachers also use this to have a teacher's page where they've got other great resources for you. I also know that this is where you can get to your Office 365 portal. So if you're trying to get into Microsoft Teams, that would be a good way to be able to get to all of that stuff, along with science or math, and all sorts of great stuff is inside of here, Newsela. So I just want you guys to make sure that you're comfortable getting into Clever, and then scroll around and you'll find all of those great things that your teachers have saved for you, along with, like I said, your Office 365 portal, where you can then get into all of your Teams and other stuff that your teachers may try to be interacting with you through Teams. If I go to the Teams page within my Office 365 space, that's where my teachers might be doing some little chats with the group. That would be another piece that you just want to make sure you take a look at and feel comfortable getting and navigating to that space. And parents, feel free to help them out if needed. But I just wanted to take you guys through how to get into Clever, and then also where some of those other features may be. So like once I'm in Microsoft Teams, I know that I'm going to be able to find the teams that I'm associated with. There may be, if anybody ever sees a hidden teams area, you may need to expand that. If there are teams that maybe aren't being used, I'm going to go ahead and hide a team for just a second. It may be in this hidden space. So when you expand that, you can always click the little ... and show that team to bring it back up to your main space. So from here, I could go to my classroom teachers team page, and then from there be able to navigate and find all of our great stuff. So just wanted you guys to be able to make sure you're comfortable with navigation. One more thing I forgot to mention: when you are all done and you close out of those everything else except for Clever, make sure that you click to log out of Clever, especially, like I said, if you have any siblings in the house that may need to log in as well. All right, have a great day.